Shame on the government. They're happy for us to put our lives at risk, but they're not willing to give us a living wage.
And we've put ourselves on the line and the government offers us 0.3%. We're disgusted.
0.3! Leave the cup of tea!
How many other ministers have had pay rises this year above and beyond? Did they go to the IRC? No, they didn't. We get taken to court for 0.3%. Come on, Gladys, it's time you gave frontline workers a fair deal.
What do we want? Fair pay! When do we want it? Now!
It's National Nurses Year and this is what they give to us. And I just thought it was a massive slap in the face to us. Everyone everywhere is working so hard to keep this under wraps and to look after all their patients.
This is just a kick in the guts and a cheap shot at public sector workers and nurses across the state. With every other state managing their 2.5% pay rise, New South Wales is left behind.
Our rents go up, our mortgages go up, yet we don't get that pay rise that would support those rises in the rest of the economy. It's really devastating, to be honest.
We are extremely disappointed about the 0.3% wage rise. This is an absolute insult after what we've endured this year. We're currently facing a global health pandemic. Every day we are confronted with the harsh reality that we could possibly be infected with COVID-19 and be taking this home to our family and loved ones.
It is disgraceful, really. I guess we are lucky to have a job, but we were scheduled to get this 2.5%, and at the least that's what we deserve.
The anxiety and the stress levels at work are phenomenal, and the massive increase in violence is unbelievable.
For us, especially in regional areas, there's up to 1 in 5 members of the public are public sector workers in regional areas. It's going to have a massive impact on the spending in the area.
We're here today outside Prince of Wales Hospital in Randwick to let Gladys Berejiklian, Dominic Perrottet and Brad Hazard know that we want them to scrap the wage freeze.
We're really, really upset that we are so disregarded by our politicians, that they took us to court when we have moved heaven and earth to protect the community.
It's not even a couple of dollars for, all the hardship that we've occurred. Me personally, my partner was affected, so I had to find a way to support us, support our home, so that way we could still pay the bills, pay our mortgage. So luckily enough I was able to work, but I was still put at risk every day.
We'd like to invite Gladys, Dominic and our Health Minister Brad Hazard to come and do an overtime shift here with us, because this isn't an easy job and we turn up every day, and this wage freeze is a huge slap in the face.